I'm here this afternoon with Brian from Holiday Coach Tours. Um, you seem to be having quite a few tours, and they sound very successful. What makes your tours so special?
A number of things, Paul. I think it's one that obviously is the home pickups. We actually pick you up from your home and take you back to your home in the Sydney metropolitan area.
That's excellent because it must help the people that come with you as
Well, that's
seniors.
right. The people with
So
the
it
walking
makes it a lot.
frames, the people who can't walk properly,
Yeah.
it helps them out. As long as they can get up the steps at the coach, we can bring them along. Also, Mary and I are passionate about what we do. We try and make it the best holiday you can have. Sometimes Murphy puts his finger in, but we always get over it. We change our tours every year so that it's not the same tours going, and then we might bring it back another time.
Yeah, it certainly would make it interesting having a variety. So you can go to the same area and really have a totally different tour.
Well, you can, and that's what we do. If we bring it back, we change it.
Yeah. And you were saying how safe it was with the coach. They've actually got seat belts and
We've got seat belts. There's 4 braking systems. I mean, it is excellent, and as it has the airbag suspension, it rides very, very smoothly.
yes, and also it has toilet facilities on
Yes, it
board.
has a toilet on board, a full-size toilet, but we do stop every couple of hours. Like it's all right having a toilet, and that's fine. But people like to get out and stretch their legs, so it's not
Of
like we
course.
drive for 5 or 6 hours straight.
Yes.
Every couple of hours or thereabouts, we stop.
Okay, thank you, Brian.